Hello everyone, this is Ram from Race Creations, and today we are working on the part 2 for to building a mobile application like calculator. It's a Flutter challenge. So guys, we will work here. I use a multi expressions plugin, so I can perform all the calculator expressions and calculator operations. So guys, stay with me and see very carefully. So I move toward my calculator screen, and now I will set the variable here, string equations. The value will be 0, and the string result initial value will be 0, and the third variable name will be expression, and its initial will also be 0. And we will also need two more variables for the font size. So double equation font size, its initial value will be 38, and another variable result font size, its initial value will be 48. Now we will create a functions on tabbed and pass a variable string variables button text. So we can perform uh, we can check the condition on that button text basis. So on the set state functions, I will check button text. If button text equals to C, the equation value will be 0, and the result value will also be 0. Okay, and equation font size should be 38, and result font size should also be should 48. Okay. In the else condition, if I again check button text too, if button text is back button, so here we need to decrease the value of the expression by 1. Okay, so I set the equation font size and result font size here, so the result will be look very pretty. And equations contain a function like substring, so from where I will decrease the one equation length by 1 from 0 to -1. And if equation equals to null, equation is equals to empty, so result will be write something wrong here. Result will be equation will be equals to, okay, equals to 0. Now we will check again else if condition, and we'll check button value. If button value equals to, and we'll set the font size of both the equations and result font size. It should contain 38, and it should contain 48. Okay, now equations equals to equation, because it's equals to sign. Okay, and equation expression equals to equation, and now expression equals to expression dot replace all. It's a string value, so we need to change it. We need to replace a string value into a mathematical operation like multiply. So I have replaced the x value the multiply star, and I also replaced the divide by divide mathematical divide. Okay. Here I try the to parse the value. The parser is a class of the math plugin. So I will parse the expression in the expression. Expression is also a class of the math plugin. So here I use a context model and create its object, and will set the all the value in result. So here I set the expression. Here I here I use expression where object to evaluate the value, and it takes a two parameter evaluation type, so it should be real, and also the context model. So I pass the context model here. If we got any error, so I use a catch, and result should be error. Okay. Now we will also use else condition and set the font size here, and if equation equals to 0, so result and equations and result both should be button so sorry equation but text will be equation button text, and if equation is not equals to 0, so equation will add with it expression. Like if I click on the 2, then I again click on the 3, so 2 3 5 4. This is the actual way. So now here we will set the value of the result and the expression. So we will create one more container for the expressions, and the below we will show the result value. Okay. So now we set the alignment, and alignment should be center right, and we'll set the padding. So here we will set the child, and its style, as we have set the as we have created two more variables, so that we can perform a uh, font size increase decrease during the button clicks. Okay. So here we will cut that container and put it on the column, and set the actual container height should be 36%, and now not here, just below here. And this container contains the actual result of the value, and we will replace this, remove the alignment here, and now we'll set the text value should be result, and I also replace the text style from the above. Now result text value will be result. So we need to change the color value of both the container text. We also set some top padding. So we set the top padding here should be 40. And now we will change the color of both the container text. It should be white. Okay, now we need to change on tab with the on tab functions. We need to call that function on that tab button. Okay, so I'm thinking something not here. We need to call that function on the tab button tabbed. Not actually. Yeah, we don't need to use. Yeah, we need to perform all the button text. So we will change that button tab and call that function on here. And also we need to pass the string value of the level actual level value. What the actual button contain the text. So replace all the function with that, and now we need to set the level text on the button text, but on the button on tabbed button. Okay. As a parameter, we need to pass the string value, level value on the tabbed functions. So perform all the validation here minus here 4 and here 5, like all buttons value will be passed on the as a string. Okay, and now 1 2 and here will be 3 and no percentage 0 and dot, and we'll check it's working now. No, it's not working. Equals to is not working because I have forgot to set the on tap function. So now we will set the equals to value function here. We will set the on tap function in the button equals to button. Okay, and we'll check on tap function with the where we pass the equals to value string value on tap functions. Now it's working properly. Percentage is not working because I have not set the because it's a string value, not a mathematical expression. So we need to change the percentage string into actual mathematical expression. So percentage means 1 by 100 equals into multiply equals to 1 by 100. So that is the actual expressions of the percentage. So now we need to replace it. Let me check. It's not working properly. Now we will replace this. So let change the value. Expression value equals to expression dot replace all equals we will replace the value percentage with the mathematical operations. Multiply equals to 1 by 100 and we'll check it's working properly. So guys, I have completed the Flutter challenge to build calculator applications, and now I hope you are doing well, and subscribe my channel and enjoy my video, and hope share with your friends so they can learn a lot of things about the Flutter. And have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye. to follow me.